Okay, so I'm getting ready to do the elephant toothpaste experiment. The ingredients that you need for this experiment are hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, food coloring, and yeast. So I'm going to start off by pouring a half a cup of hydrogen peroxide into my bottle over here. Doesn't have to be exact, so we'll say that that is about half a cup. Next, I'm going to do a little bit of the dish soap. And a few drops of this green food coloring. And then finally, I'm going to pour the yeast into the bottle. I'm going to bring this closer so you can see it. Have a good view of the bottle. It's a lot of foam happening there. Thankfully, I put the plate into the dish strainer because I knew it was going to make a big mess, and it'll be much easier to clean since I did that. Okay, just going to move this back. Okay, so the elephant toothpaste I produced is an example of both a decomposition and a catalyzed reaction. The hydrogen peroxide, or H2O2, readily decomposed into water, H2O, and oxygen, O2, and yeast catalyzed this reaction to happen much faster than it normally would without the yeast as the catalyst. The dish soap captured the oxygen, or the O2, that was released, creating the foam or the elephant toothpaste that we saw. And this elephant toothpaste reaction is also an example of an exothermic reaction because heat is actually released. So that part, I'm just going to feel the foam here to see. It actually is pretty warm. So like I said, this is an example of a decomposition reaction, a catalyzed reaction, and also an exothermic reaction. And now I'm going to work on cleaning all of this elephant toothpaste up. Thank you very much.